So here I am going to discuss bipart integration derivation. So in this lecture we are going to discuss derivation of bipart formula. Okay, so for that we should know differentiation of d by dx of px into qx. Okay, so what is the differentiation of px into qx? So first we have to differentiate px. So px differentiate what? P dash x differentiate 1, qx will be what? As it is, plus. Next is what? Px will be as it is, and qx differentiate what will come? Q dash x differentiate 1. Okay, so this differentiation we know. Okay, so here now we are integrating this one. So what will come? Integration of d by dx of px into qx dx. This side also we are applying integration of p dash x qx dx plus integration of px q dash x dx. Okay, so here what will come? Integration of d by dx of px into qx into dx. This is nothing but what? Px into qx will come, and this side what will come? Integration of p dash x qx dx. Okay, so here this is what? P dash x we are writing. Okay, qx we are writing what? Integration of q dash x dx. Okay, and this side is what? Outside we are writing dx. Okay, so qx we can write as what? Qx we can write as what? Integration of q dash x dx. This we are applying, plus integration of, okay, px as it is, q dash x dx. This we are writing. Okay, now here what we are doing, instead of px we are writing what? Fx. So p dash x what will come? F dash x. And instead of qx, q dash x, we are writing gx. Okay, instead of q dash x we are writing gx. Okay, so from here px as it is, qx. Okay, so q dash x is equal to what? Gx. So what is q of x? Integration of g of x dx. Okay, because if I put q dash x what? Gx, so q of x equal to what? Integration of gx dx will come. So instead of qx what we can write? Integration of gx into dx equal to integration of p dash x. P dash x we are writing what? F dash x into integration of q dash x we are writing what? G of x. So this will come integration of g of x dx, and outside also dx will come, plus integration of, instead of px we are writing what? Fx. So this will come what? Fx, and q dash x we are putting what? G of x dx. Okay, so from here if I take this term this side, okay, so if I write, so integration of fx into gx into dx, this is equal to what? This one we are writing first here. Okay, so this one is equal to what will come? This term as it is will come px into integration of gx into dx, and this term if you take this side, so what will come? Minus of integration of f dash x integration of gx dx, and outside is what? Dx. So this is your bipart formula, and this is your proof also. So we have derived the bipart formula, integration of two functions fx into gx into dx equal to what will come? Okay, so here this is what? Fx, sorry. So here fx we are taking what? Differentiating function. So fx is outside, integration of second function gx minus fx differentiation, this one will come, and big integration will be there, integration of gx dx, and outside is what? Dx. So this is your bipart formula.